This is your remote control car. The car comes completely assembled except for the tail, which you will need to put on along with the screws. You also get some extra pins and a hex wrench and a small screwdriver. You have the battery charger, the user manual, the remote control. The wheel that goes on the remote control will need snapped on. This is the side of your car, the front, the other side, the bottom, when you first get your car, you're going to need to remove your pins. Once all four are removed, you can just slide up the top of your car. The car also has a plastic wrap that's going to need removed. So you can go ahead and remove it. The battery compartment is right here. Just open the locks completely. Once all four, just pick it up and just lift it straight up. Inside you'll find your battery. Charge it completely and then it's ready to be connected. To make sure it's completely snapped together, you're going to pull the little plastic up and push it together. Once your battery's installed, make sure you turn the car on. Then replace your lid. Now you're ready to screw the tail on. Make sure the word is sticking up. You're going to place it here and use your screws that come with it. And just screw them on. Now that your tail is connected, you're ready to put the top back on. Just slide it on. This former requires 2 AA batteries. You need to unscrew it. Place your batteries in. Make sure you screw it back into place. To connect the steering wheel, find the side that's got your opening, slide it in, and it's ready to go. On your transmitter, you have your on and off button. Your wheel turns left and right. Your trigger is your forward and backwards.